welcome back to another video. Today we're solving question 75, sort colors within LeetCode. So let's go ahead and get into the question. Given an array n or nums with n objects, we are tasked with sorting them colored red, white, and blue, and 0, 1, and 2 represent colors red, white, and blue respectively. Our job is to edit nums in place to make sure that it is red, white, and blue in order for the whole array. So let's go ahead and get into the actual problem. First, we're going to initialize a variable called last, which is going to be set to 0. We'll see why we're using that in a little bit. And then we're going to do a for loop. And our for loop is going to be in the range of 3. And you'll see why we're doing that here in a second as well. Then we can do for j in the range of last, and then we'll say the length of nums is our endpoint, and 1 is our increment. And from here, we're going to initialize a temp value, and this is going to be equal to nums j. And we're going to say, hey, is nums j, or this temp value, equal to I? Because we want to replace any value in the front with I. So we'll say if temp is equal to I, then we're going to update the value of nums j. So nums j is now going to be equal to nums last, and then nums last is now going to be equal to temp. And then we need to make sure to update our last value by the increment of 1. And then once we're done here, we can simply just return our nums value. So hopefully you can see what we're doing here. We are iterating through, we're doing a for loop through the range of 3. So we'll go from 0, 1, and 2 will be our values for I. So we'll know if it equals 0, we're looking to replace the nums last element with 0, and then same for 1 and 2. And then we need to make sure that we're swapping the values so that we're not losing any values in the process of that. And so let's go ahead and run that, make sure it works for everything. Works for those. Let's go ahead and make sure it works for all the test cases. And it does. Awesome. And we get a great runtime. So that is my solution for question 75, sort colors within LeetCode. Let me know, guys, if you learned anything at all. If you did, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help the channel out a ton, and I do appreciate all the support you guys can give me. Other than that, guys, have a great rest of your day, and I will